basically we're talking about you posting stuff about content about yourself, just about you yourself, just as a person, okay? So that means if your name's Samantha, if your name's John, or whatever your name is, you're using TikTok on your personal profile, not business, just to relay your particular message for whatever it is that you're doing. And with that, you're going to start pulling a personal brand, and people are going to start following you as a person. Now, this was something that was really challenging for me in the early days, because I was like, don't you have to build your business and not your personal brand? Isn't it more about the business that you're selling and not about you? But really what it is people usually like to buy, especially now, because people aren't really coming face to face with people and meeting your staff and all that. So a lot of times they're making their decisions online before they even go in. Like, people are valuing their actual physical time a lot more than usual, especially since the pandemic and everything happened, right? And this whole new tech age and Amazon and all this huge type of online buying. What happens is that you as a person, even if you look at yourself, are you willing to go in and start to, get, like, for example, are you going to go in and buy from a certain restaurant or any retail outlet or anything before actually checking online? So if you're able to connect to them on social media, which TikTok is really where Instagram was so many years ago, now you're going to be able to go ahead and say, hey, you know what? Like, I know this person from TikTok. I remember seeing this person's videos, and they sell flowers, so I'm going to go buy flowers from them because I like them, because I saw the social aspect of them, and it kind of coincides with me. Like, I kind of like those people, so I want to buy from them.